Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a beginner-friendly, DIY 3D printer designed for users looking to experience both the assembly process and high-quality 3D printing. This printer offers easy-to-follow instructions for assembly, making it a fun and educational project for those new to 3D printing, as well as enthusiasts seeking to enhance their skills. Once assembled, the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas features automatic calibration, ensuring precise and consistent prints. The printer also includes removable print sheets, which allow for easy removal of prints and contribute to a smoother printing experience. The large print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches offers a generous build volume, making it suitable for a wide range of projects, from small prototypes to larger creations. The printer supports a variety of filaments, and a filament sample is included to get you started. Its open-frame design allows for a clear view of the printing process and is compatible with a variety of third-party filaments. The MK4's high-precision extruder and advanced features such as power loss recovery and thermal runaway protection ensure both reliability and safety. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is known for its robust build quality and strong community support, making it a great option for first-time builders and experienced users alike. The combination of easy assembly, reliable performance, and versatile printing capabilities makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enter the world of 3D printing or upgrade their existing setup. Overall, the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas offers premium features and excellent print quality in an accessible and engaging DIY kit, making it a top pick for beginners and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a high-performance DIY 3D printer designed for users who seek fast, reliable, and high-quality prints. With an impressive printing speed of 250 mm per second, this printer is ideal for those who need efficient production without sacrificing detail. Its Sprite Direct extruder enables better control over filament extrusion, ensuring accurate prints with a variety of materials. The CR Touch auto leveling feature simplifies setup by automatically calibrating the print bed, ensuring consistent print quality with minimal effort. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis system improves stability, especially during high-speed prints, reducing the chances of layer misalignment or wobble, which is crucial for achieving smooth, detailed results. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, the Ender-3 V3 provides enough space for a wide range of prints, from small prototypes to moderately large projects. The autoload filament system enhances user convenience, allowing the printer to automatically load filament, reducing the need for manual intervention and streamlining the printing process. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is equipped with an open-frame design, providing clear visibility of the printing process and ease of access to the print bed. Its sturdy construction and upgraded features make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 offers high-speed, precise auto-leveling, a direct extruder, and a reliable printing experience, making it a great option for users looking for a versatile and efficient 3D printer with excellent print quality and ease of use. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-speed, feature-packed 3D printer designed for users who prioritize fast and precise printing. With an impressive printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, this printer is ideal for those who need quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. Its all-metal hot end supports temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing for compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including higher temperature materials like ABS and PETG. The 7x7 auto-leveling feature ensures accurate bed calibration for consistent print quality. This automatic leveling system reduces setup time and enhances reliability, particularly important for first-layer adhesion. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm print volume provides a reasonable build area for medium-sized projects, offering versatility for a wide variety of prints. The AnkerMake M5C allows users to control the printer through multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers, providing convenience and flexibility for remote monitoring and adjustments. The intuitive control interface simplifies operation, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. Built for high-quality prints and user convenience, the printer boasts advanced features like a direct extruder system and rapid heating, ensuring smooth filament flow and faster print initiation. It also supports open-source materials, allowing for greater versatility in filament selection. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a reliable, high-speed printer equipped with advanced features such as auto-leveling, high-temperature capability, and multi-device control, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking for efficiency, flexibility, and quality in their 3D printing projects. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact and efficient FDM 3D printer designed for users seeking a combination of high-speed printing, ease of setup, and precision. With a quick setup time of just 20 minutes, this printer is ideal for both beginners and experienced users who want to start printing without complex assembly. It supports multicolor 3D printing, allowing users to create intricate designs with a variety of filament types, making it versatile for different projects. The A1 Mini offers high-speed printing while maintaining exceptional precision, ensuring that prints are both fast and detailed. Its full auto-calibration feature simplifies the setup process, automatically adjusting the print bed for accurate first-layer adhesion and consistent results throughout the print. The active flow rate compensation further enhances print quality by adjusting the extrusion flow during printing, which helps maintain consistency and prevent defects, especially during long prints or changes in filament types. Designed with a noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is relatively quiet during operation, making it suitable for home or office environments without causing distractions. The FDM technology offers reliable and cost-effective printing for a wide range of materials. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer provides a user-friendly, fast, and precise 3D printing experience with key features like multicolor support, full auto-calibration, and active flow rate compensation, making it an excellent choice for both newcomers and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus desktop 3D printer kit is designed for both home and educational use, offering fast and reliable printing with ease of use and versatility. It features a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, which allows for easy replacement and maintenance, ensuring consistent high-quality prints with PLA material. The extruder is optimized for faster and more accurate printing, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and learning environments. One standout feature is the factory-leveled flex build plate, which simplifies setup and eliminates the need for manual bed calibration. This ensures a smooth printing process with better adhesion and easier print removal, saving time and effort. The 11.6x 7.6x 6.5-inch print size offers a decent build volume for a variety of projects, from small prototypes to educational models. The Replicator Plus is equipped with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. It also integrates with the MakerBot mobile app, allowing remote monitoring and control, enhancing the overall user experience. This printer is designed to be reliable and easy to maintain, with robust connectivity options and seamless compatibility with MakerBot's materials. Perfect for schools, makerspaces, or home use, the MakerBot Replicator Plus offers a plug-and-play 3D printing experience, focusing on speed, ease of use, and consistent results. The combination of the swappable extruder, factory-leveled build plate, and reliable performance makes it a great choice for educators, students, and hobbyists looking for a dependable and straightforward 3D printing solution.